Okay, let's walk through how to navigate the Trip Plans app. By now you should already have it downloaded and you should have received my walkthrough of how to set it up. If not, let me know. I can resend the video or the link, whichever you need. If you need both, just let me know. So you'll go into the Trip Plans app and we're going to go into this one. And so you can call me, email me, and check out my website from the links here at the top. And then this one would take you to your email. And then each section has various information. And some things will even have hyperlinks in it. So I try not to overload you with too much information at one time. So as your trip planning progresses, I'll add more information and I'll send you an email to let you know that something has been added. Now, once things are added, look them over. If you have questions, let me know. This one has some Universal and some Disney stuff in it. Now, for those of you that have traveled before, I'm sure that you have seen my invoices and you've had to keep the emails to get the link, but now there has been an update to my system, so I can actually put them in your Trip Plans app. So it's going to say payment link and confirmations. So you're going to tap on that. And this is what it's going to look like. And then you will do the hyperlink for this invoice. And it's going to pull up your invoice. And on next payment, you're just going to pull up and do custom amount. And you can enter in your amount. And then add payment method. And you're going to put in your information here. And then you would hit authorize. Now when you hit authorize, it's going to come to me and then I will process the payment. Once the payment is processed and I get the confirmation, I'm going to put the confirmation here. Now what you will typically see in this section is your booking confirmation and your latest payment confirmation. So sometimes it may take me a little bit to get the last one uploaded, but I will get those in there. But your invoice will automatically update. So you can always log into there and you can see the total due and you can even see the due date. Now this down here where it says the authorization is good through, you can just ignore that. That is just how long it would stay in my system. So it doesn't have any bearing on anything else. Typically when you send these, I do process them the day that you send them to me, if not that day, by the next day. So that's how you would navigate this section. And then if you're going to be traveling where you don't have Wi-Fi or there's going to be some kind of issue you think to where you're going to need this offline, you would just tap the toggle up here at the top and it would work just fine without it. So then if you're traveling and you need to message me, of course you can always text me, email me, message me on Facebook, call me. But there's also this little conversation bubble, and if you tap on it, this does come to me, and I do send you messages on this from time to time. And then your flight updates, if you're flying, will also show up in this section. So that is pretty much Trip Plans. If you have any questions, just let me know.